Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. Please watch this video till the end and share it with all your friends. In this video, we are going to discuss a few points regarding importance of database management system, when to start study database management system, where to concentrate. These are the points we are going to discuss. So please watch till the end and keep these points in your mind, then start studying database management system. That helps you a lot. Coming to the first point, importance of database management system. Whatever you consider, whatever the domain you want to choose, database is must for computer science student. So let's understand, if you go for web development, app development, data analysis, machine learning, whatever the domain you want to go, database is must. Without database, there is nothing. You take the web development side. If you open a website, if you want to log into the website, where your login details are going to be stored? They are stored in database management system. See, that simple thing, you need a database. So compulsory database is must for any computer science student. So it is very important. And coming to the second point, when to start study database management system. In our last videos, we clearly discussed that the first subject you are going to study is C programming, then you go for data structures to improve your coding skills. After completion of data structures, you can start study database management system. And one important point you have to understand here, it is not at all related to subject called data structures. There is no way it is going to help you in understanding database management system. It is completely unique subject. Whatever the basics you learned previously, C, OOP, DS, DLD, these concepts are not going to help you understand database management system. This is completely unique subject and it is completely different. The logic, the way it is going to be is completely different. So you need more focus because you are going to start a new way of concepts. And the next important point you have to understand, where to concentrate. In our database management system, we are having 5 different sessions designing a database. This is our first session. And second one is SQL, structured query language. And next one is normalization, transaction management, recovery and indexing. These are the 5 sessions you are going to have. If you want to go for a software job like service-based companies or product development companies, the first 2 parts are very important. It doesn't mean that remaining parts are you don't need to study remaining parts. If you have a basic understanding about remaining parts, and normalization is also important if you want to go for a software job. So transaction management, recovery and indexing, if you have a basic idea, that's enough. The first 2 parts are very important if you go for designing a database and SQL. If you want to go for higher studies, for competitive exams, all the 5 sessions are important. So you have to concentrate each and every session. Coming to the first 2 parts, designing a database and SQL. In SQL, you have to concentrate much on nested and correlated nested commands. The entire essence of database management system, whatever the understanding you have from design and SQL, you are going to use all those concepts here in writing the commands of nested and correlated nested commands. This is the area where you are going to work in a software job. You are going to use these concepts, nested and correlated nested commands, to get the data from multiple tables. So that's why this is whatever you learned in these 2 sessions. In the end of this SQL session, you are going to use these concepts, nested and correlated nested commands. You are going to use all the concepts we learned in design and SQL. You are going to use it here. This is where your level of understanding shows. So this is where you have to concentrate. You can study entire computer science subjects at Learning Monkey. Please visit our website learningmonkey.in for placement tests and competitive tests, and you can visit our YouTube channel Learning Monkey and check our playlist. You can study entire subjects at Learning Monkey. Thank you. Share this with all your friends and press bell icon for the latest updates.